Baseball is one of America's favorite sports. But where did it come from? The game we now call baseball has roots that go back hundreds of years. Many people believe baseball developed from older bat and ball games from England, such as rounders and cricket. But it was in the United States in the 1800s where the sport really took shape. One popular legend says that a man named Abner Doubleday invented baseball in Cooperstown, New York in 1839. While historians now believe the game evolved over time, Cooperstown is still famous for being the home of the National Baseball Hall of Fame. Origin of baseball. The first known rules of baseball were written in 1845 by Alexander Cartwright and the New York Knickerbockers, one of the earliest baseball teams. These rules helped shape the game into what we know today. By the late 1800s, baseball became very popular in the United States. It was called America's pastime and quickly spread to other countries around the world, like Japan, the Dominican Republic, and South Korea. Basic rules of baseball. So, how do you play baseball? Baseball is played between two teams, each with 9 players. The game has 9 innings. Each team takes turns batting and fielding. The team that scores the most runs by the end of the game wins. Let's break it down a little more. The batter tries to hit the ball thrown by the pitcher. If the batter hits the ball, they run to first base, then try to make it all the way around to home plate to score a run. The fielding team tries to get the batter or runners out by catching the ball, tagging a base, or tagging a runner. There are 3 outs per team in each inning. Here are some other key rules. Strikes and balls. A batter gets 3 strikes before they're out. Home run. If the batter hits the ball out of the field, they can run around all the bases and score without being stopped. Positions. Each team has players in special positions like pitcher, catcher, first baseman, shortstop, and outfielders. Baseball is more than a game. It's a part of history and culture. It brings people together and teaches teamwork, patience, and perseverance. From backyard games to the major leagues, baseball is played by people of all ages around the world. Have you ever played baseball or watched a game? What position would you want to play? Pitcher, batter, or outfielder? Thanks for joining us. For more information and resources related to baseball, head to twinkl.com.